Welcome to Wrench and Race. This is our very first tool review. We will be reviewing the Eastwood mini metal saw. Saw this, and with what we have to do on the race car, I thought, well, this will be a good addition to the kit. Here it is. This is a small metal saw. There's one blade. Here's an extra blade I purchased. And the saw itself. It has a collection area for chips that you can then, I guess, open and empty. And let's put on a blade and we'll see how it works. I got the corded version. Cord looks pretty long. So the thread is reversed, and I guess we sandwich blade on here. This, I think, is a carbide tip blade, pretty thin, but let's see how it works. This will go there, this guy in there. Empty chips before each use. So there it is. Comes with a guide, and let's see how it cuts. We'll try this first. We'll try the bigger stuff second. This is a 1/4 inch that somebody welded. I'm not sure who welded this. And then I have a piece of square tube, which we may have to go one pass, flip it over, and then do another pass. So these are the 4 pieces we'll attempt to try for this demonstration. So the depth, we should be able to cut through this. I'm gonna put my glasses on, because what I've seen is that chips start to fly. So the switch has a safety that you have to push in order to get it going. It's totally cold cut. It's not hot at all. And if you can see this, it's a pretty clean cut. I did feel some chips and stuff flying about, so you got to be careful of that. Let's try a little bigger piece. This is too thick actually, so I'm not going to do this piece, but I will do this piece. So we'll do 2 passes on this. All right, so 1 pass on the 2-inch piece of square tubing, you could see got us that deep, pretty straight. And then what we could do is turn it over. So we'll try and cut through the other side. So it wasn't perfectly set up, but cut right through this 2-inch square tube, pretty good. There's that stuff, you can see that. And next, we'll cut through this 1/4 inch piece like this. Maybe I'll mount it like that. Angle's a little messed up, but it cut right through that. That's 1/4 inch steel, and it's pretty smooth, you know, little grinding, and it'll be good. We got the chips. I would say that this thing does a pretty good job. I'd give it a thumbs up. I'd give it 5 stars. This blade really can cut through this stuff. I've got some aluminum I need to cut through, but I'm not even going to try that. If it goes through this 1/4 inch steel pretty quickly and easily, I imagine it'll go through aluminum pretty fast. There you have it. First tool review from Wrenching to Race. Enjoy, subscribe, like, all that stuff. Thanks, bye.